Working on the tower, bell tower. They're trying to get down as much as they can so that the excavator can get to it when they're using the excavator. Oh, the breeze feels so good. So good. The breeze falling on the opposite side of the building. I'm doing this for my car. For the first time. I think they're trying, like I said, I think they're trying to get as far as they can to where the excavator can get to the rest of it sidewise. You probably see on the backside, you see debris falling on the backside. They're missing other stuff that was going on, so we are back at the old Sacred Heart School. Coming down to make way for a chapel. The difference between a church and a chapel is where you go to pray, in a Catholic sense. The top of it already came off this morning. Birds are going to be a rate because they're not going to have a place to go in the bell tower because this is coming down. That's all that's left of this church. I mean, school.